I can hear that click, click, clicking from the furnace all over the house. Click, click. People tell me that's joint expansion. That ain't no daggone joint expansion. That's not supposed to be happening with a brand new system.